Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to one of the most powerful SUVs on the market, the 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. Known for its insane horsepower and muscular presence, the Durango Hellcat has long been the choice for drivers who crave both family practicality and tire-shredding performance. The 2026 model pushes the envelope even further, making it one of the most exciting SUVs of the year. Let's take a closer look at what's new and why this beast is turning heads. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Durango SRT Hellcat arrives with an even bolder exterior, staying true to its aggressive heritage while adding sharper details for a more modern stance. The front fascia now features a redesigned grille with larger air intakes to feed its supercharged engine, while slimmer LED headlamps add a menacing look. The sculpted hood with functional vents not only looks powerful but enhances cooling. New wheel options and bold color choices ensure that the Hellcat stands out whether it's parked at the track or pulling up downtown. Performance and powertrain. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, a supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8 producing a jaw-dropping 710 horsepower. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, sending power through an advanced all-wheel drive system that balances traction with raw speed. The 2026 model benefits from recalibrated suspension tuning, offering better handling without sacrificing ride comfort. With a 0 to 60 miles per hour time in just over 3.5 seconds, this three-row SUV is every bit the muscle car disguised as a family hauler. Safety and technology. Dodge has equipped the new Durango Hellcat with updated driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and enhanced braking systems. Inside, the cabin is both sporty and luxurious, featuring leather sports seats, a large Uconnect infotainment screen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an available Harman Kardon premium sound system. With multiple drive modes, launch control, and performance pages integrated into the digital cluster, drivers can monitor every aspect of this machine's capability. Conclusion. The 2026 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat remains in a class of its own, combining practicality with outrageous performance. It's a three-row SUV that can tow the boat, haul the family, and still dominate the drag strip. With refreshed styling, unmatched horsepower, and modern tech, it proves once again why it's the king of muscle SUVs. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more automotive news, reviews, and first looks at the vehicles that redefine performance.